Y'all, I am so excited. I have this pretty stocking. This is such a nice stocking, and it is full. And I got this from Sydney Grace. When I found out that they were offering it, I emailed them and wanted to know when they were going to post it so that I could make sure I went to their website and grabbed it up. Because last year I did their Advent box. This is kind of their Advent stocking. I'm super excited because I love Sydney Grace. Just love them. Let's open up all these presents, shall we? Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I have been waiting to open this up. Let me pull all of these out. Look at how nicely wrapped they are. All of them are wrapped. I'm so excited. And this is a very, very nice stocking. I will be keeping this for myself, and maybe I will start some kind of ritual, yearly ritual of what I'm going to do with this very nice stocking. Look at how nice it is. Nicely made. I love it. It's got the little thing so I can hang it. Very nice stocking. Super excited about that. Look at the little gifts. They're so adorable. So let's see. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 13 gifts. Can I pick them all up so that I can show you what they all look like? I kind of sort of know what some of them are. Like, I'm pretty sure this is a brow palette, I think. I'm so impressed about how well they wrapped them all. I don't know how many of them they sold, but can you imagine how time intensive that was for them to wrap all of those? So here's the first one, and I was right. Mad for You Brows by Sydney Grace. This is soft brown, and I believe that I was able to pick, you know, like light, dark type things. It is a nice magnetic, and it has the shade saver in it. I'm going to take the shade saver off, and there's the brow shades. I like these cool toned shades. That is a very nice palette. I like that a lot. Alright, I'm guessing that these are probably brushes. I'm going to take the bow off. And I was right. I have 3 brushes. And I am pretty sure, I know that I have 2 of these. I have this big fluffy brush, and I love this brush. It's one of my favorites. This as well is a very nice brush. I'm not sure if I have this one, but their brushes are very nice, and they're very well made. I love the wooden handles, so I'm excited to have those. Let's do one of the little ones. I don't want to untie it, but I'm going to have to. This is a cream highlighter, and this is in the shade Paradise on Ice, and I do have some of their creamed highlighters, but I do not have this one, and this is a beautiful pink, it looks like. Oh, I'm super excited about that. Should we swatch it? Let's swatch it. That is so pretty. You cannot see what I see, unfortunately. That is a very, very pretty. Very pretty. That's pink, but it also is like a peach, pinky peach. What is this? I'm guessing that this is a lip product. This is one of their cream lip. This is Charissa. That is a very pretty shade, and I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to keep that, but I do not have this shade. That is very pretty though. Another lip product. It has a sticker on it that says fractionated coconut oil. It's a fragrance oil. What? They have fragrance oil? It is a fragrance oil. What? Moonlit. What? Let's get the magnifying glass so I can see. Moonlit Meadow. It is a fragrance oil, and they taped it to make sure that it didn't leak. That was nice. I did not know they were doing fragrant oils. How exciting is that? It's a roll-on. Ooh, that smells really good. Very nice. I love that there's a new product I wasn't expecting. Okay. Let's open one of these. I'm sure that this is probably a palette, one of their 9-pan palettes. This is one of their empty palettes, one of their empty magnetic palettes with a little bit of ASMR. See, I have one of these. They're very nice. I use these all the time. I really do like them. I have a little palette that I keep over here. Focus. Hello? Hello? Thank you. See, it's got little, I put stickers on it. And it is a little companion palette that I keep over here to use with other palettes when I need to. Alright. Maybe there's something to go in those. Let's open this little box. That is so cute. Like the attention to detail. Like this is separate. That's so nice. There's a kitty cat trying to come in the door. It's Biscuit. Push, Biscuit. Meow. Meow. Guess what it is? It's eyeshadows. And they even taped them up with Christmas tape. That's so nice. So now I have to figure out if I have these. That is like a purple shimmer. There's a matte brown. I don't know what shade that would be, some kind of cream. These two kind of look the same. Maybe they're not. There's a matte purple, a matte green, and ooh, that one's pretty. Very pretty. I will check after I open all of these to see if there are any more, to see if those are any that I have. This is either another cream highlighter or a cream blush, I'm guessing. This is a cream bronzer. I did not get any of their cream bronzers. This is in the shade Cinnamon Roll. Ooh, and I think that that is a shade that I can use. They are so creamy. Oh. Alright, let's put this up here next to the That's very pretty. I think I can pull that off. I think I can. I think I can. I am not rubbing that on my pants. I'm not. I'm so excited. What cream product do we have in this little box? This little box didn't have a bow on it. Not that it matters. This is Rosebud Cream Blush. I believe that I have that one. Yep, I do. It is a very pretty shade. Very, very pretty. Alright. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. I have a lot of Sydney Grace products, so it's not surprising that I'm going to have something. Lip product. Or could be a cream eyeshadow, which I have a lot of those too. Because in 2023 I bought every single bundle, monthly bundle, that they offer. Euphoria. I might have this. I believe that I do. Ooh, it is purple. I do not have that shade. And I have an extra spot. I have 3 empty spots in my palette to add more. I don't know if you saw the video. This is all of my Sydney Grace cream shadows. So yay, I will add that to it. It is a, let's do a swatchy swatch. Oh, and that's why I need it in a palette, because I did not want that much to come out. Look at that. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. That is so pretty. Alright, y'all, I got 3 more. Don't know what's in here. Could be some more eyeshadow singles. This is some more of that paper that will not tear. I've never seen a box like this from Sydney Grace before. It's a little pull box. Oh. It's a pair of earrings. How nice is that? Look at how pretty those are. They look like rose quartz. Very pretty. Very nice. I love that. I was not expecting jewelry. I bet this has more eyeshadows in it. What you think? Nope. It is setting powder. And I have some of their setting powder. But I am not mad about having some more, because it is really, really nice. It is so finely milled, and I love the packaging. Look how pretty the packaging is. Very nice. Translucent. Yes. And the last package, which I'm pretty sure is an eyeshadow palette that I don't have. It is an eyeshadow palette that I do not have. It's the Raspberry Kiss. Look at how pretty the packaging is. That is so, look at the lips. That is super cute. I love that. Oh. Shade Saver. Look at how pretty that is. That is beautiful. And I love that their palettes will fold backwards. And that looks like something kind of gouged that just a little bit. That's alright. So pretty. I am super excited about that. I love the shade names. Be kind, keep smiling, dream big. Perfect for 2024. Awesome. I love that. So I will check these single shadows real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did not have any of the shadows. There are 7 shadows here. We have Getaway Car, City Life, and I'll swatch them for you. This is Sierra Nevada. That's a pretty shade, I like that. This is Swing Dance. I love this one. This is New Moon. I love that. And then these two are so similar. This one is City Lights. And it's not going to pick it up. And the other one is called Rome. This one is City Lights and this one is Rome. But they look almost identical. I mean, there is just the slightest difference. City Lights is just a little bit darker than Rome. Let's do a little swatchy. Alright, this top one is Getaway Car. And then we have New Moon. We have City Life. We have Swing Dancer. Then we have Sierra Nevada. Then we have City Life and Rome. And you can see with them swatched that these two that look so similar are in fact very different. So they're all very pretty. I really like that shade there. I like all of them, but very nice. And there they are all in the palette. Very nice. Super excited. So as per usual, Sydney Grace knocks it out of the park. They always knock it out of the park. I love this brand so much. I will have a link down in the description box to their website and also to their Instagram. They post amazing content on their Instagram. Lots of swatches and different shade combinations to put together to create a look or to create a little palette. I love following along with them. Before you go check them out, make sure that you show that like button some love. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so that you don't miss any of my shenanigans. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip from your mama. Eyeshadow palettes are like a box of chocolates. You never know what shade you'll pick, but they're all delicious. Mama loves you, boo.